for his remarkable performance as a medical guide at Barangay 831 Zone 90 SA Invitational Basketball League 2025. Okay.
And congratulations.
1957 Security Agency, Rob David Baon. From Team Triscalion, jersey number 21, Christopher De Lima.
Hey, our mythical five.
Tapos diyan ka sa gitna, oh. Beto sa gitna, Ben. Ben sa gitna. And from Triscalion again, Wilson Baldecañas.
Our mythical five, Wilson.
From Mitsubishi Motors, jersey number 19, Sandro Tolosa. Okay. Attention to all players. From Triscalion team, Baldecañas, Dolar.
Uy! Dolar. Miguel.
Team Triscalion, isa-isahin mo po yung tawagan. Baldecañas, Dolar, Estrada, another Baldecañas, Morales, De Lima, Baon, Sharina, Alacar, Bravo, Alvarez,
Eh. Idol.
Galarte. Our first runner-up.
Eh. Shout out, shout out.
Invitational Basketball League 2025 held at Mendoza Basketball Court. Team Triscalion will receive our certificate, medals, trophy, and 7,000 cash.
Ayan, congratulations, our first runner-up.
To you.
Ang Triscalion Tau Gamma P.
Oh, may panginom na kayo!
Congratulations.
Panginom na daw po.
Team Triscalion.
Ayan, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng bumubuo ng ligang ito.
Hoy!
Okay lang.
Okay, for our champion team, here we go on. Tolosa, Rubia, Team, Ochoa, Sabanta, Cortez, Duyo, Araque, Navarro, Helen.
Hey, shout out. Hey. Good evening sa inyo.
Gonzalez, Miyamoto, and Shapko.
And our champion, the white and blue and red, that Mitsubishi Motors. Congratulations. And nice game para sa ating Taogama first game. Hey, shout out bro!
Medal, graduation.
And for our finals MVP,
Hello guys, hello
total
ladies.
score 17 points.
Ayan ang ating champion.
17 points, 9 rebounds, and 3 assists for game number 3 finals. None other than Mr. Brian Navarro,
Uy, Brian Navarro.
who will receive a trophy, medal, cash, and certificate. Thank you so much for this final game.
Our finals MVP, hindi ka ako nagkamali. Si Idol, Brian Navarro. Jersey number 8 para sa Mitsubishi Motors. Congrats, Idol. Sige. Lasa. Sige, ano mo na? Tapusin ko na ito, saglit lang. Ayusin mo na, parang naman damit. Dapat ka... Tapos mo. Wala, bounce back. Alright, and that's a wrap. Magkikita-kita po tayo para sa ating next live. Hanggang sa muli, God bless everyone. Maraming salamat po sa SK sa lahat ng bumubuo ng ligang ito.
Thank you.